Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel, where for today's video I'm going to be doing a special effects look, so stay tuned to see that. So the first thing that you're going to need is some scar wax. I use this one from Snazaroo. Well, I use loads of different ones. This one from Snazaroo. Not got any left now, but I did order two more packets of it, so that's all good. This one you do have to literally like roll, like you have to really warm it to get it to like a moldable consistency, because it's really rock solid in that little pot. But when I first bought it, I was like, I don't really like this, not very good. But the more I used it, like when I warm it in my hand, it gets so much easier. So I'm gonna start by, I like to prepare my scar wax first so that I'm not doing it with like sticky hands when the spirit comes drying, because then I get a bit stressed. I'm like, oh, I need to look good. But I'm gonna roll out a sausagey shape in my hand like this, and then I'm gonna roll it a bit thinner, just so we can make it look like skin as much as possible. You don't want too much excess scar wax, so you're gonna have to take it off anyway. So I'm gonna roll quite a thin sausagey shape like this one, and then I'm gonna make another one of them. So I've got two worms the same size. I'm gonna go ahead and use some spirit gum, which is an adhesive, and I'm gonna put it along here, and then I'm gonna stick these two bits down like this, and then they're gonna join at the bottom, so it looks like that sort of thing there. And I'm going to stick them down, and you just want to press them into your skin, and then I'll come back after that bit. So now that I've got that looking like that, I'm going to blend the edges out with just my little tool, and just, you kind of want to blend it out as much as possible while still having the ridges, because you want it to look like skin as much as possible. So I'm going to take my little scalpely tool and dip it in a little bit of Vaseline, just to make the scar wax move a little easier, and then I don't know if you can see, but I'm just gonna blend the edges into my skin, so you've not got like a harsh ridge, so it looks unrealistic. Just blending them into my skin like that, and then we're gonna colour it once it's all blended. So now them ridges are blended into my hand and straight on, it looks like skin. You might want to go just over the top with a brush with some Vaseline on, and just blend the edges in. If you've got like, I have like loose bits of scar wax, because it's quite sticky and it will still stick to your skin. You can just brush that off with a brush with Vaseline on, it blends into your skin. So now we're going to colour it. So to colour it, you're going to need some sort of palette, and I've got this cream palette here, but it can be watered down with isopropyl alcohol, so that's how I'm going to be watering it down. And so I'm just going to use like a sort of red colour. Let me just grab a bit up. A red colour, and mix that with some IPA just to water it down a little bit, and then I'm going to add in a bit of a darker purpley colour. I'll show you the end result, just to kind of give so that's the colour that I'll use, just to give the irritated skin sort of look. I'm going to water that down with quite a bit of IPA, because I don't want it to be too much of a solid colour. I'm just going to paint on the wound, but obviously this looks quite heavy, but I will then be using some IPA to tone it down as well, because you don't want it to be this coloured, because obviously your skin is not going to look like that, so you're going to want this to look as realistic as possible. I'm just using my finger to blend the colour in, just to give it more of a natural blend. I'm just going to continue to do that until the scar wax sort of looks like skin. So there we go. Once you're happy with the colour and everything, so it does kind of look like your own skin that's just lifted up. Once you're happy with the colour and everything, it's the best bit that everyone loves, the blood. So this is the final result. Once you've added your blood, you might just want to use your finger and pop some blood like around it, like I have. But yeah, that's your finished result. Looks pretty creepy. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.